How to change from landscape to portrait in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First launch PowerPoint and then you can easily click on the design tab at top left corner of your screen. Now on the first site you need to find and click the slide size. Now select the custom slide size from the drop down menu. Now you simply need to look for the orientation option and then choose portrait in order to rotate your slides to 90 degrees. And after that, you can easily choose a resizing option as well. You can keep content the same size but crop some elements. You can easily look for the slide size for and then choose any one of the option right over here. Other thing here, you can easily change the width as well and then the height as well. You can easily choose the number slides from and then click on OK once you are done with resizing the slide size. And here you have the two options to maximize or ensure fit. So if you choose the ensure fit, scale content down to fit the new slide dimension. If you choose maximize, then you can keep the content the same size but may crop some elements. And with that, here you can see that we have successfully changed the landscape mode to portrait, and here we have that. So you can easily now make any slide using this portrait mode. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.